Model, 63-plate Fiat Doblò Cargo XL 1.6 MultiJet 16-valve diesel Euro 5 super rare high top. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 74,176. MOT, the 6th of June 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 263 A5000, E5, C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. It runs in the engine sounds fine, however it is hunting on idle, so the revs are going up and down, and when you accelerate the engine cuts out. It is throwing up a fault code for crankshaft sensor. This looks like it's been replaced, so not sure what the problem is. Will be an easy fix if you know what you're doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash, fault code crank sensor. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows.